How to add weight in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize and add your weight. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon and here again tap on your profile picture. So this will lead you to this editing platform. Here on the bottom, tap on edit profile. So this is the section where you can customize and make different changes in your profile. So slowly scroll down. Here there's a section called weight. Simply tap on weight. Here there are different options that you can choose on. So remember, this is the weight that will be displayed in your profile too. So you can even customize it and add it to your own will. So at last tap on OK and tap on save. So it is completely saved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.